Traveling Tyler style. Today we're on Broadway, downtown Nashville. Broadway runs from 1st Ave to 5th Ave, at least the entertainment area. It's awesome. So many bars and restaurants. Seems like every country music star has a bar downtown. It's expensive though. Gotta understand that going in, you're about to get ripped off. There's no locals downtown. Only tourists. But today I'm a tourist. My first time downtown and on Broadway, I thought it was a good idea to try to go to every single bar and have one drink. I was $180 in at the halfway point before I realized that was a bad idea. Won't do that again. You live, you learn. Coming up on Kid Rock's bar here on the left. It's multiple levels. Playing live music. I have to mute out the live music, otherwise I'll get hit with copyright left and right. It's unfortunate because that's one of the coolest parts, is as you're walking around, there's music everywhere. Luke Bryan's bar. Coming up on Jason Aldean's bar. I had a steak at Jason Aldean's and it was a lot better than I anticipated. It's pretty good. The Nashville Predators play downtown. Their arena's down there. Tennessee Titans football stadium's downtown. Nashville has a lot to offer all over the place, but I feel this is the most important part to show. Because it's so cool, especially on a nice day. At nighttime, it gets so crowded, though. Shoulder to shoulder. In order to get a drink, you have to throw elbows. So at 7 p.m., I usually head back. Though, at nighttime, there's so many bridesmaids everywhere, it kind of makes it worth it. Coming up on the end here, so we're going to veer off to the right and head back. They call it Nash Vegas for a reason. It really is similar to Vegas. Alan Jackson. Thought that was him for a minute, but it's actually just his bar. A little pop-up display. That's the arena. All right, heading over to the other side. A lot of action on this end as well. Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville's on this side. Miranda Lambert has a bar. Ton of different random saloons and honky-tonk bars. Places to buy boots, barbecue. I mean, come on, what else could you want? There's also a lot of different side streets. Off of each side street's also multiple different bars and restaurants, which I'm actually going to show here in a second. Dierks Bentley has a bar downtown. Just be prepared to spend $12 to $15 per drink. But what do you expect? It's downtown Nashville and Broadway. You gotta know that going in. It's part of the deal. It's good for a weekend. Wouldn't suggest trying to stay down here for 2 weeks or anything like that. But for a Friday, Saturday night, it's as good as it gets. A little bit of construction going on, though, from the last time I was down here. It's clean. Surprisingly clean. Maybe it's just my perspective. Just not a whole lot of homelessness. Compared to Vegas. That's where I live. I live in Vegas. All right, that's the end here. Now we're going down a side street. Florida Georgia line. Johnny Cash. it just keeps going and going and going, never ending. So it makes it so awesome. All right, that's a wrap on Nashville and Broadway. Travel and Tyler style. Subscribe to my channel. I'm out.